it's your girl Lala Living here, and today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I installed this beautiful wig. Okay, it is so chocolate, and y'all, it's really the bangs for me. Okay, these are called curtain bangs. I've never tried this before, but honestly I'm probably gonna try it again. This look is just so bomb. This is so easy to do. You can definitely do it. This is a glueless wig also, so there's no got to be spray, there's no gel, there's no nothing, and this wig is on pretty good. So this chocolate brown highlight Y shape Swiss HD lace in loose wave was sent to me by Gorgius, and you guys, this wig, like I said, was so easy to install. It looks really good. It's so soft. I had very minimal shedding, and that was only when I was plucking the lace a bit. But y'all, this wig is a must-have, so stay tuned and watch me install this wig. And so this is how the wig comes, and I love the box. It's so pretty. But Gorgius sent along some gifts. They gave a wig cap and a little pouch with lots of hair accessories. So there is a edge comb and brush. There's a tweezer for like tweezing your lace, some hair clips, bobby pins, and an elastic band if you want to add it in. But this one actually has a band of its own. And so you guys, I'm just showing you the structure of the wig. It is so pretty, and the lace, y'all, is amazing. So as you can see, the lace actually has the partings. There's some combs. Also, it has its own band, like I told you guys, and it's adjustable. Like, I've never seen an adjustable band like that. There's also some adjustable straps and a comb also. So for this wig, it's pretty easy. I'm going in with my makeup powder brush, and I'm just putting a little bit on my lace. Honestly, you didn't need to, because as you can see, it already was tinted, but I just wanted to put a little extra, and so I just popped this wig on, and y'all, it was giving a look already. So I'm going in with my Damani collection hair wax. Y'all know already, this is my go-to every install. So I'm just going to put some mostly on the lace by the part, and this is just going to help me to flatten up this area so that we can have a nice natural and a nice soft base at the lace. So once I have hot combed my hair and flattened it all down, I'm just going to go in with a scissors and just cut around the lace. And it's really simple, because since this is like a closure, it wasn't much lace I had to cut. And I'm also going to go in again with my concealer, and I'm just putting some on my part. I like to do this just to make my part stand out a little bit more. It's definitely up to you though. I actually mix my concealer and foundation just to give me that nice perfect scalp color that I like. And I'm gonna go in with some more of my wax stick with my hot comb, and this is also helping all of the flyaways, just teaming everything down and making everything look really nice and flat and smooth. So once that is done, I'm just going to section out the bang. Like I said, this is a curtain bang wig, so it already has its bangs cut. You can go ahead and cut a little bit more just to help shape it towards your face. I wanted to show you guys exactly what the wig gave, and y'all, it was almost perfect. So this is just what I did. I went in with my curling barrel, and I just emphasized the bangs and gave my hair a nice curl. I curled the curtain bang and a little bit more of the hair also. This part I feel as though you could have cut if you wanted to cut it, but like I said, I wanted to show you guys the wig not really cut or anything yet. I'm definitely going to play around with this wig a little bit more. So what I love about this hair is that it is so pretty. I love the curl texture. This is a loose wave, and y'all, all you really had to do was comb this out because the curls were so gorgeous on its own. And this is a chocolate brown highlight wig. So this is my first time really trying more of a chocolate wig. I've tried highlights before, but this hair actually was chocolate also, so not like a 1B or like a 1. It was more of a like 2 and a 4, that type of real chocolate look, and I really love it. And so you guys, this is all of the styling with the hair. This is all I'm going to be doing, is going in with my curling iron, just to get the bangs how I want them. I wanted it to have more of a fall, like I wanted to be really, I wanted to emphasize the bangs, so I made sure that my bangs were really distinct and the curl was kind of tight so that it showed more of that curtain shape on my face. And y'all, this wig is finished. Like, all I'm gonna do is continue to play around with it a little bit with the curls and comb it out, but I love how this hair falls on my face. I love the color of the hair. Y'all, this is 100% human hair, so I know that the hair is gonna last. I love that the lace is HD, so that provides a natural and luxurious quality of look. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial and that you are going to get this wig. Like I said, I do have a discount code below inside my description box, so check it out. I'm also going to have the link to this wig in my description box also. Y'all, this wig is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. It's the color, it's the texture, it's just the softness, and definitely the bangs. Okay, like, y'all, this is a perfect fall wig. Like, if you don't have this in your collection, you probably just don't have a wig collection, and that's just how I feel, because this wig is just giving fall, it's giving winter, and I love the look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next upload. Bye.
Time